Today you have been chosen to witness the answer to the age-old question. Which kind of pop makes the biggest geyser when you add Mentos? For a control measurement, I have this 1x1 plank here, which I'm holding as straight as I can. And the shadow is measuring about 2 feet. So this will kind of help us determine just how high all of the geysers end up going. So here's how it's gonna work. I have this container here, which came from a science kit thing, geyser tube. So I'm gonna put a few Mentos into it, close it up, screw it onto the open can of pop, and then when I open it up, the candies will fall into the can of pop, and it'll form a geyser, sprays out the top. And then we're gonna have it measured here with the tape measure, so that we can see how high up the shadow of the geyser goes, and we can use that to determine how high the geyser actually is. Okay, so let's see. How many can we fit in the tube?
1.
We've got 1. Okay, here's 2.
2.
So our number of Mentos for each geyser will be 6. So now we've clipped it in place.
Screw it on tight. 1 moment.
Are you ready?
Yeah, get ready to run.
1, 2, run! Run!
What do you guys think of that?
Yeah!
All right, so wait, let's see. Let's look at one other thing. So we have 4 inches of pop still in there. Maybe 4 1/4. All right. Well then.
I wasn't supposed to do
What happened?
I went to turn it and I clicked my finger by accident.
We have about 5.5 inches of liquid still in here, so this one probably didn't go as much. It looks like it's still reacting in there. It's just not making a geyser. So we've got root beer, cola, and ginger ale. It looks like the root beer and the cola lost about the same amount of liquid, and the ginger ale significantly less liquid. So while the root beer is more bubbly, it's possible that it doesn't actually make a larger geyser. And after all that fun, the pop is flat. Nobody wants that.